Anybody know what kind of mushroom that is? It's got the little ridges on the bottom. Yeah. It's a big one. Something's been eating on it. Definitely ain't they ground squirrels or deer or something. That's it. Ain't either, old man. Anybody out there know what it is? Just leave it in the comments. Check this out, y'all. Bunch of pretty chicken little woods today. Like a white pink. It's been here for a while. This is the last one, same as last time. Looking good though. How to identify them orange and white color. They're starting to get old while they're turning white.